Welcome to the Issabel PBX Quick Start Guide presented by Voxtelesys. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to set up inbound routes in the Issabel PBX. Click on the PBX tab, then click on PBX Configuration from the dropdown. Under Inbound Call Control, click on Inbound Routes. Name your rule in the description field. Enter your DID number. Your DID number will be provided by Voxtelesys. Under the Set Destination section, select the type of routing from the first dropdown. In our example, we'll choose the extension type. From the second dropdown, select the exact destination of the inbound route. Click on Submit, then click on Apply Changes. Congratulations! You've successfully set up an inbound route in the Issabel PBX. Check back for more videos on Issabel, as well as other helpful guides.